Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the fan in your custom tower. This process will enhance the performance of your cooling system and ensure it runs efficiently. Let's dive into the necessary tools and steps. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft brush for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Begin by unplugging the tower fan from the power source. Safety is paramount. Once unplugged, place the fan on a flat surface where you can work comfortably. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover of the tower. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. As you remove the cover, take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the tower. A soft brush is perfect for this task, ensuring you don't damage any components. With the back cover removed, locate the fan assembly. There may be additional screws holding the fan in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the fan to free it without applying excessive force. Once the fan is loose, disconnect the power connector attached to it. This might require a bit of finesse, so use your pliers if needed. If you're unsure about handling this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assist you, ensuring your fan replacement is hassle-free. Now, take your new fan and connect it to the power supply. Make sure the connection is secure. After that, position the fan into the tower and reattach any screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightened appropriately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the components. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to provide another quick clean inside the tower. Dust can accumulate quickly, and a clean environment will enhance the fan's performance. If you don't have the tools or time for this, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to avoid any hassle with tools and transportation. After cleaning, carefully align the back cover with the tower and secure it with the screws you set aside. Double-check that all screws are tight and that the tower is reassembled properly. Finally, plug the fan back into the power source and test it to ensure it operates smoothly. Listen for any unusual noises, which might indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, you're all set. Before we wrap up, remember that we provide a quote before repair. This ensures that you know the cost up front, avoiding any surprises later on. If you ever need assistance with your tower fan or any other appliance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Enjoy your efficiently cooled space. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.